Hello and welcome to Valentech channel. Today I'm working on this beautiful Omega Constellation quartz watch. This is not mechanical, this is quartz watch. This is women watch and it kind of not in good condition. Pretty dirty and it doesn't run. I can change the time by crown, but doesn't matter, it doesn't run. Looks nice from the back. Constellation, nice bracelet, everything original. Omega. 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 Okay, let's open the case. The model is ETA 976.001, and I think the problem here is in the coil, because I can see some broken wire over here. So I think this coil should be removed, replaced, if I will find the replacement. Otherwise I need to find or buy the new movement. I was able to locate a replacement for this coil, or I think this coil goes together with this electronic module, and I found the replacement. I bought online on eBay this movement, the same model, which is 976.001. The module looks differently because this one has a lot of printed wires. This doesn't, but it doesn't matter. If the model is the same, it should work the same way. Okay, I'm going to remove module from here. For this I need to remove battery first. So to remove battery I need to remove this clamp or battery cover. There is arrow here pointed to direction where I should move this cover this way, and now I can remove it, and I can remove battery. And to remove module I need to unscrew one, maybe this one too, maybe not, probably this too. Let's see. The main thing is to be very careful with this coil. It's just open wires and they could be damaged very easily. So I'll change my screwdriver and start from this one. This is one screw, could be different than others, and I will unscrew this one. I am covering the coil by my finger just to prevent it from being damaged. Yeah, this screw is the same as previous one. I was correct, the coil goes with the module. Cleaning it by alcohol. Now I need to remove this module from the watch. And the same number of screws. Again covering coil by finger to protect it. And I'm going ahead to move new replacement. We can check if this will help to fix problem. It should. And now let's see if it works. So there is no second hand, and that's why we need to wait until we will see that this minute hand will move. And it moves. That was the open coil responsible for this issue. Now I'm going to remove whole movement from the case and clean inside. Also I will clean the bracelet and the case itself, and I will finally show how this watch looks after cleaning. And thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give it a like and also comment and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you next time. Bye bye now.